Let me show you how to get 1,000 subscribers in the next 24 hours using other people's video. Yes, you don't even have to go through the stress of making the videos yourself. There are actually two methods people are using right now to blow up on YouTube. The first one is using other people's videos, and the second one is using your own viral video. In this particular video, I'm going to show you these two methods. I'm also going to show you one strategy you need to apply the very moment you get your 1,000 subscribers and monetize that will help you make real good money from these videos. Then I'm going to show you the second method. If for any reason you don't love the idea of using other people's videos, which by the way is legit approved by YouTube. But if you do not like the idea of using other people's videos, I'm going to show you how to create those viral videos yourself using a free app. You heard me right, a free app. Then you're going to go on to use this, your own video, to get your 1,000 subscribers in the next 24 hours. If you implement everything I'm going to show you in this video. You're wondering, how did I come about this? Remember I told you last month, October, I started 2 faceless channels. This month again, I started yet another faceless channel, and all of them are doing well. I just discovered from these 3 channels that growing the YouTube channel is just a matter of 2 things. When you get the 2 of them right, getting subscribers and watch hours becomes so easy that anybody can own 5, 7, 10 channels, so long as you can handle all of them and still make money from all of them. I'm about to release a big secret in this video. You don't want to miss any part of it. So let's get into it. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka. On this particular channel, I share tips, ideas, and strategies that will help you grow your YouTube channel really fast. So if this is the kind of thing you love, go on and subscribe right now so you don't miss my upcoming videos. Let's just get into it, guys. So I'm going to start with the first method, which is using other people's videos. The first step is to get those viral videos you are going to use. And there are 2 websites or 2 platforms where you can get these videos to use. Now, the question in your mind is it okay to use other people's video? Can I monetize the videos? The answer is yes. YouTube made it clear that if you use other people's video and you are able to add extra value to that video, make it significantly different from the original one, then you are good to go because you're a creative person. You can actually grow that channel, use those videos to make money once you're monetized. Where can you get these videos you can use Instagram. You can also use Pinterest. Let's say, for example, you want to use Instagram. All you need is to open Instagram. Once you come over here, I need you to go to this search bar, touch this search bar. We need the video that a lot of people are already interested in, because this is a game of attention. If you're able to get a video a lot of people love, you're going to get subscribers even before 24 hours is done. You get 1,000 subscribers. So sorry, they just disrupted our power supply, but this is not going to hold us back. We have to get this done. Depending on your niche, you can go for any of these videos. For me, I love this. So once you find the video you love, go on and grab this video. Now, if you're looking for an app you can use to do so, just need to go over on Google and type Instagram. You see those ones, go on and select the one that you love. Once we are done with this, we move on to step 2. This is where we are going to alter this content in a way that will allow us to make money using this somebody's video. So now the video is in your phone. The next thing is to go on and add extra value, which could be a voiceover. It can also be adding text to the video. It can even be you adding some B-rolls. You can always do any of these things using InShot or CapCut. Go on and edit it. Once you are done, we are ready to use this video to blow up real fast. So the next thing is to upload it. You need to pay careful attention to what I'm about to show you, because this is where the secret lies. Why are we using short video? Short video is so easy to go viral. And of course, that will lead to you getting 1,000 subscribers really fast. So once you do that, select this one, go on and use this button here to add sound. Okay, you can always control the sound here, how loud it is. So with this button here, you can go on to add text to your video. When you add a text, it's going to look like this when the video is ready. This is actually how I upload my short videos, with this caption. These captions most times help people to know what the video is about, so they choose to watch it the moment they see the caption. So it's important you do that. You click on next. Okay, once you click on next, it's going to bring you to this place. We go on to optimize this video in a way that it will get us the subscribers. First thing is to choose the thumbnail of the video. This is actually very important, because the first thing people see when they come in contact with that video determines how many clicks and subscribers it's going to get. So you click on this pencil icon here, and it's going to open to this. You can always like toggle through this to get the part of the video you want it to be the thumbnail. Once you're done, you click on done. Leave this visibility as unlisted, not public, because it's going to help us to optimize this video in a way that we get 1,000 subscribers really fast. So you go on to add related video. Now, this is very important. Remember, this is other people's video. All we need is 1,000 subscribers. So at this stage, you want to be very smart to link this short video to longer video. This is one of the most important secrets to this video. So you must select related video. So anybody that watches this video, likes it, will see your long video. Remember, this whole thing is designed to drive traffic to your long video, which is the one that makes the money. Next thing is to click on paid promotions. Select no. It's important because those things matter when it comes to pushing the video. Then the next one is altered content. Select altered content and also choose no, except you alter this content in any way, shape, or form. Maybe it's AI acting like a real human. You can always say yes, but if there's no such thing, select no, and then we are ready to go. Okay, we need to come back to this visibility. You select visibility. Please don't upload this video immediately. Schedule this video for at least 2 to 3 hours minimum. This one will help YouTube algorithm to run through this video and be able to optimize it enough for us to go viral. The video is ready. You can now click on upload the video. To get 1,000 subscribers in the next 24 hours using this strategy, you have to upload 8 to 10 of these videos. And even if it's only 2 out of the 8 that picked up and start getting a lot of attention, you're definitely going to get 1,000 subscribers in the next 24 hours. Now, the moment you hit 1,000 subscribers using this strategy, I'll advise you go on to clean up these videos, especially if they are not related to what you do. So the idea is to use this strategy to get 1,000 subscribers and then go on to start using your original content to grow your channel, because it's something you want to keep making money from. But if it's exactly what you do on your channel, the kind of videos you do, maybe you are into entertainment, that is perfectly okay. You can always continue with this. But the fact that we've been linking these short videos to our long video is a guaranteed way of getting people who watch these short videos to connect with our longer video. Now, for better results, in that short video, while editing it, always remember to mention that they should watch this long video for more of whatever you're offering. If you are not using a voiceover at all, it's just text, then towards the end of the video, write a text, a bold text on the short video, telling people to go watch a longer video, and then you add the thumbnail of that your long video. I do this a lot all the time in my short videos. This way, someone who enjoys this video will want to check out the next recommendation you gave them. This is one of the biggest secrets to using this short video to divert traffic to your long videos and getting people to stay back and enjoy your other content. Okay. Now, what if you don't want to use other people's video? You want to generate your own viral videos. You can do that. There are 2 apps you can use to do this. The first one is Canva. Yes, Canva has a lot of amazing features they introduced just a few days ago. People are using Canva to design breathtaking images and videos, including myself. So let me show you how to do that. All you need is to head over to Canva. Once you open Canva, you're going to select this template here. Okay, and then you go on to select the blank one. We want to generate a brand new viral video. So you just select this. And if you look under here, you're going to see this option. So slide to where it says Magic Media. You select it. Once you select it, it's going to give you this prompt to type in what you want to create, what you want to generate, what you want to design. Just go on and type what you want to design. You can actually use ChatGPT to generate the prompts. It's actually a prompt. So I already copied something. I'm going to come over here and paste it. And you click on generate, guys. It's going to generate 4 beautiful images, breathtaking images. Have a look at this. Can you see that? Now you can go on to decide a couple of things. First one is style. If you click on this, you can see a lot of ways, a lot of styles this image can come in form of. Okay, but the most important one is this layout. So you're going to click on the second option, and then you can see the layout. This first one is actually for long videos. So if you're creating a long video, it's going to structure this just the perfect size of a YouTube video. If you're creating short videos, you're going to click this one, okay, the portrait. So once you select portrait, you can see that it goes on to restructure these amazing images. So these are the 4 images it generated for us. You can use the 4 of them. You can use only one if you want. Now that the image is ready, the next thing is to go on to convert this image to video. And the app to use to do that is Piclumen. With this particular app, you can actually get this image to start talking, guys. It is an amazing feature. So with this, you can generate images, videos of choice. And if they are breathtaking, they are going to go viral. So these are basically how people are doing it, creating viral videos and using them to blow up on YouTube. I hope you got value from this. Let me know in the comment section, which of them are you going to try? Getting 1,000 subscribers is easy if you put in the work. So go on and implement, because result comes from implementation. See you in my next video.